Welcome guys! In this video, we'll explore a range of innovative kitchen tools that will save you time, effort and space. From clever cooking gadgets to efficient food prep and storage solutions, these smart tools are perfect for every home chef looking to enhance their kitchen experience. Let's dive in. Effortlessly prepare fresh homemade pasta in just 18 minutes with this fully automatic machine. It kneads and extrudes 2 to 3 servings at a time, making meal prep a breeze. Equipped with 3 classic shaping discs for spaghetti, penne and fettuccine, its double extrusion process ensures smooth, restaurant-quality noodles every time. Get creative by using different flours and adding ingredients like eggs, spinach or carrot juice to make a variety of flavors. Its space-saving design fits perfectly on your countertop, and built-in storage keeps accessories organized. Say goodbye to smoky kitchens and hello to effortless grilling with this electric indoor grill featuring a turbo smoke extractor. Perfect for apartments, condos, or even RVs, it eliminates the hassle of outdoor grilling while delivering juicy steaks and flavorful BBQ. The double heating tubes ensure fast, even cooking, and the non-stick grill plate leaves perfect grill marks while filtering out excess oil. Adjust the temperature from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with the LED smart display. And cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe parts and detachable design. Experience the joy of indoor gardening with this smart hydroponic planter. Its 24-watt LED grow light mimics sunlight, promoting 5 times faster growth compared to soil. With an adjustable height up to 21 inches and a 180-degree tilting LED panel, your plants will thrive with maximum illumination and easy pruning access. The quiet water pump runs every 30 minutes, oxygenating roots for healthier growth, while the water shortage indicator ensures effortless maintenance. Simple to set up, the system includes an automatic timer with light modes tailored for veggies or flowers. Upgrade your kitchen game with this hand-cranked cheese shredder featuring 3 interchangeable blades for coarse shredding, fine shredding and slicing. In just 30 seconds, you can grate a pound of cheese safely, keeping your fingers away from the sharp stainless steel blades. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe and durable with no electricity required. The non-slip suction base provides a secure grip on surfaces like marble and glass, ensuring stable operation. Perfect for cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella and parmesan, as well as vegetables, nuts and even chocolate. Say goodbye to guesswork with this advanced 8-cup rice and grain cooker. The integrated scale automatically measures your grains, rice or beans, calculating the perfect water-to-grain ratio for foolproof results every time. The built-in water tank dispenses just the right amount of water and is easily removable for refills. With 21 preset options, you can cook a variety of whole grains like quinoa, oats, barley, and more. The included steamer basket allows you to steam veggies or proteins while your grains cook below, saving time and effort. Yep, your spices organized and accessible with this 20-jar Carousel spice rack. Its compact design makes it perfect for countertops, cabinets, or pantries, saving space while keeping your kitchen neat. The 360-degree rotating base ensures quick access to any spice, and the set includes 386 labels, pre-printed, blank, and numbered, plus a convenient funnel for effortless jar refills. Stay organized in style. Speed up your kitchen prep with this handy vegetable chopper, designed to chop, dice and grind with ease. Equipped with durable stainless steel blades, it works faster than a knife, saving you valuable time. Simply slap to chop, perfect for onions, garlic, nuts, veggies and more, all without risking injury from sharp blades. Cleanup is a breeze with its easy disassembly. Rinse under running water or place it in the dishwasher's top rack. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, the included manual ensures you'll master it in no time. This egg cooker is the ultimate tool for effortless and creative egg preparation. With a capacity to cook up to 7 eggs at once, this compact appliance offers versatility for any breakfast lover. Whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or even omelettes, this cooker ensures perfect results every time. Equipped with an indicator light, an automatic shut-off feature, and a ready buzzer, it takes the guesswork out of egg cooking, allowing you to achieve consistent results with its efficient 360-watt heating system. The clear lid lets you monitor the cooking process, while the dishwasher-safe trays and included measuring cup make cleanup quick and easy. This spoon saver is a fun and practical kitchen gadget designed to keep your utensils from slipping into the pot while you cook. Made of flexible silicone, it fits most standard-sized spoons, spatulas, and ladles. It also doubles as a spoon rest, preventing messes by keeping your utensils off the counter. This clever design helps keep your kitchen clean and adds a playful touch to your cooking routine. The Sopito Professional Potato Cutter is a high-quality stainless steel kitchen tool designed for effortless cutting of potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. Featuring an ergonomic handle, this cutter allows for easy slicing with minimal effort. Its large capacity accommodates whole potatoes, eliminating the need to quarter them. The 1/2-inch blade creates perfectly shaped fries and vegetable sticks in seconds, while the compact design saves space and ensures easy cleaning. Ideal for both home cooks and professionals, this cutter is durable, efficient, and simple to use. Thanks for watching. We hope these innovative tools inspire you to upgrade your kitchen and make cooking, prepping, and storing food easier and more efficient. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which gadget you're most excited to try. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.